Utilities find the most strain in having multiple applications. Over time and in the past, utilities tended to go with applications that were specific to a business process to solve. And they may have worked with different vendors to bring in a software or a tool to help the field. Well, those challenges, as the applications build, they tend to have so many applications that it starts getting confusing, and then users don't have a consistent experience, which can cause issues with field safety, communication with the back office, with the field operations teams, with dispatch teams. IQGeo, the applications that we provide, go across the entire life cycle of a utility field user and processes for utility. From design to execution of that design to constructing it. And then beyond that construction of the entire network, the most important piece is maintaining that network and making sure it is always up and running for safe and reliable service. So how do we do that? We have applications that work together. We have our inspection and survey tools. Inspection and survey is basically going out and looking at your built network and making sure everything is as it's supposed to be. Then we have Workflow Manager, where you can take those items that you find in an inspection and survey and build a workflow tool to remedy those issues that you find. It basically completes the entire cycle of completing work for a utility. Those are the challenges that utilities are facing. How do I do that in one tool? Putting the power of AI in the hands of a field technician. And think about this, consider this. I'm a field technician going out and looking at a pole and doing a pole audit. AI will look at that pole, capture all the attachments, the heights, possibly damage, maybe vegetation, things that could be an issue for risk, for safety, for the network being impacted by something that's happening to that pole. Coming out with IQGeo and taking a photo and capturing all the information from that pole and building some intelligence to identify issues so that a field technician doesn't have to basically type in information. The photo will build the information based on a model and give back to the back office, to engineering, to understand what's happening out in the field with that pole. It's a way to ensure that who's on the pole, who's attached to that pole. Are they paying for that attachment? Is it an illegal attachment? Maybe it's something that's placed incorrectly at the height that it should not be, that for safety and rules and regulations and standards of that pole, we need to make sure that's right. Basically building intelligence into IQGeo around pole audits would be a game changer for the utility industry. Bringing that information, giving the field technician the tool to ensure that what they're seeing, everybody else is seeing. What they're seeing, they can document and add comments to, and take their knowledge and share it with everybody else in the company that needs that information. It's just a really easy, efficient way to make sure your network is functioning safely, without risk, and providing an excellent customer satisfaction and service.